Alright, here comes a really big one. James is gonna try and catch it, which is a bit foolish really. And luckily he missed it. Here comes the next one, James. Holy shit. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. Oh! Oh shit! Where is he? Nice work. There you are. Look, you survived, James. But here comes the next one. And it's gonna be just as bad. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Shit. Dude! Alright. He lost his battle. He's a little bit fucked.
We don't sleep very much, these triggers ache for the touch. Where's the strength we relied on? Fear alone like a crutch, maybe that's what keeps us up all night with the light on.